What's up, guys? That's not always y'all. Oh, guys.
What's up?
Okay.
What's up, guys? 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys?
You still saying it? 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? It's Carti here.
And Lex back at you with another video. What we doing today, babe?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm extremely scared. Like, what she's about to do is what a man never allows a lady to do. Not being sexist or nothing, but we don't cheat on our barbers. Like, based off of the title you see it's about to be something crazy. No clickbait. Like,
I'm excited. Like, I'm a cosmetologist, so any chance I get to do hair or cut his hair, I'm gonna take it. And I got faith in me. Do you have faith in me at least?
yeah, I have faith in you. I'm not gonna lie. It's just being that we have a new environment and all. There's no barbers out here, so it's like, damn. Like, I'm trying to really figure out if I should continue growing my hair or if I should get it cut. I know, like, you know, grown men shouldn't really have their hair long.
Exactly.
But think about it. What would you rather? Long hair or a messed up hairline? Like, bro, I would just ras my hair. Like,
oh, so you see, the truth comes out finally. He thinks that I'm gonna mess up his hairline, and just for that, I really should spite him because you said you had faith in me, and now you're saying what's better, long hair or messed up hairline? That means you have no faith in me. All right, let's get to it, y'all. Aiden, are you gonna let me cut your hair? What? Why not? Can I cut your hair? What? All right, sir. How are you today?
good.
Do you have any symptoms? Should I take your temperature?
No.
Okay. Do you have coronavirus? Have you traveled out of the country in the last 6 weeks?
Yes, but I drove here.
You didn't travel out of the country. You traveled out the state. Ready?
Yeah.
Where's my stuff that I took out already? My neck strip.
Good question.
You know what happened to it. That's what you used to wipe it down. You ready? All right. So, for today, we are going to be using the FIANCE'S Slimline Pro. Yeah. It is cordless. And it's little. This is good. All right. Let's get started. You look so scared. You look so scared. You got it so I can see. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You know about it, basically. Baby.
What?
Baby, don't be mad, okay?
It's not even a joke if you're playing around. Are you serious?
Baby,
What?
your neck was bent and now it's slanted. Hold on, wait. No, I'm just kidding.
That's not a joke.
Just want y'all to see. Now, I'm not no barber, but I did better than half these barbers out here. Facts or no?
Yeah, you did.
Why you always lying?
So why your face look like that?
That's not a reason. That's good. Sorry to go on, babe. I won't lie, she really did her thing, you know. I'm feeling the haircut and everything, you know, just looking in the mirror. But out of a 10, I give her a 9. Honestly, the reason why I give her a 9 because she's not my barber. She was not there in my childhood. She wasn't there for my...
I just realized you said I get a 9?
Yeah, you get a 9.
Do y'all see this? Did y'all see what he had before? And you got the nerve to give me a 9?
Like I said, guys,
You got the nerve to give me a 9?
I'm gonna give
You got
her
the
a
nerve to give me
9.
a 9?
She's lucky she
You got the
got
nerve
a
to give me a
9. I
9?
want to give her a 7. But
Alright,
she got a 9.
say that.
She got a 9 because she's my fiance. Whatever.
I got a 9 because I did the damn thing.
Anyways, I want you guys to stay tuned to the following content. We have some merch. Our child has a clothing line. And also, stay tuned to the new house video. You guys are gonna like everything that we were giving out. Trust me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and don't forget, we love you. Peace.
You got the 5-bedroom? Oh my god! She said it is the house, Alicia!
Gotta stay right here.
Oh, that's so you tricked us.
I kept a secret.
Wow! Yo, this is nice.
I was hoping y'all would like it.
I love it, the color, everything.
This was for us. I gotta tell y'all the story behind this. I have to tell y'all the story behind this house. Welcome to our home. One room at a time. This is the dining room. Remember when I was asking you about the fireplace? Because this one didn't have the fireplace. And remember when I called you and said, if we get a different house without a fireplace?
What did I say?
And you said you'll be okay.
Okay, and I'm okay with it. Oh, this is an open
Look at our
concept.
kitchen.
Yes.
We have a kitchen.
Yes. I'm
No. Hello, come here. Let's do. Everybody's doing everything together. No, that's okay. Come here.
This is
Yes,
my
check.
corner.
Yeah,
That's my corner, right
There's
there.
your corner down there.
That is my corner.
You said she wasn't getting.
You know this a whole recording spot,
Yo,
right?
exactly. Look at my corner for my workout videos, my shed. What? Oh, they gonna hate.